Hey, it's Rick Claus coming to you from Microsoft Campus once again. Some behind the scenes of talking to folks that are going to be speaking at Microsoft tonight or help put on the actual event itself. And I managed to track down none other than Mr. Microsoft Mechanics himself, Jeremy Chapman.
Hey Rick, hey everybody.
It's good to see you, my friend.
Good to see you too.
So Microsoft Tonight is coming up. It's going to be in San Francisco. It's in November. And I'm curious, what are you excited about for Microsoft Ignite?
Yeah, so my favorite thing is just the people going there, everyone that's converging on San Francisco, all the admins. Nothing better than having multiple thousands of admins in one place. Absolutely. Except for the Wi-Fi effects that it has on connecting to the internet.
Quite true, quite true. Now, there's probably a pretty good chance that you're also going to be speaking at Microsoft Tonight. Is that correct?
Right, of course I'll be speaking. I'll be talking about Copilot control systems. So everything that you need to know as an admin to manage the experiences around Microsoft 365 Copilot, the agents that you build, Copilot chat, what you can do with all the different tools there. So we're gonna have a lot of updates, a lot of news there, so stay tuned for that.
Nice. Now, you and I have been going to Microsoft Ignite since 2015 when it first came out. Do you have any tips for first timers for what they should do?
Wow, thinking all the way back to the 2015 days. Yeah, so I would say look at the calendar, fill up the calendar with all the different sessions you want to attend. Sometimes there will be more than one than in any given slot. That's okay though, because you can watch things on demand, and what you'll want to do is actually try to get there early, get your badge, walk around the facility and see where you can get to, because sometimes it's so big that you can't get from session A to session B in time. So you'll want to do a little bit of reconnaissance, I think, before the first day starts.
I love that, deep reconnaissance. Perfect. Now, you and I both travel for business and we go to conferences, that sort of stuff. Is there any kind of travel things that you bring, you'd recommend that people bring?
I'm really excited about bringing, of course, camera gear. I mean, we even have like drones and stuff with us right now. These are things that I bring with me just to make sure you can get all the different shots and things. And you know, when you meet friends, people that you haven't seen maybe in a few years, it's always great to be able to catch up, film them when you can, have great times. So I bring my gadgets with me.
Nice, awesome stuff. Now, I'm not that familiar with San Francisco itself, but I know that we're going to be at the Moscone Center. Do you have any recommendations for folks that are coming to San Francisco to be able to, what they should go out and do, where they should eat and things like that?
So San Francisco is such a great place. I've been there quite a few times. Having lived in China and Shanghai, one of my favorite parts of San Francisco is just Chinatown and going there. It's like home for me. It's probably there and also in Vancouver in Canada. They're probably my two favorite Chinatown locations kind of on the West Coast. So I would encourage anyone who's there to check it out and really try the dining and everything else, the other experiences there, and shopping there as well, because for me it's like a second home.
Nice, that's awesome. Well, hey man, thanks so much for answering these quick questions. I hope you enjoyed another one of these little behind the scene things for what goes on at Microsoft Ignite, and we will see you at Microsoft Ignite in San Francisco. See you soon.